Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet headband. It's a very simple one for the beginners. We need yarn, elastic band and the hook. Okay, let's start how to do it. This elastic band you can use a thicker one also. I've only the thin one. Okay, now I'm going to start with 10 single crochet on the band here. Okay, okay, 10 single crochet, 3 chain, then we are going to make 4 double crochet, 1 2 3 4. Then we are going to make 16 chain, then we are going to make one double crochet in the balance stitches, that is 5 stitches. So we are going to make one double crochet in 5 stitches. Okay, we are going to make 3 chain, then 1 double crochet in 4 stitches, then we are going to make 1 single crochet 22 single crochet in the chain here. (22) single crochet. Now we are going to from here, the first single crochet and the end one, we are going to make slip stitch, okay, like this. Now we are going to make 5 double crochet in the balance stitches. One double crochet in the 5 stitches. Okay, we chain, then we're going to make 4 double crochet, 1 2, 3, 4. Make 16 chain. Then I'm going to make 5 single crochet the other side. Loki. Okay, now already done 5 double crochet, then 3 chain. Again we are going to repeat the same steps until which length you want. Okay, I will finish the length I wanted, then I'll show you how to finish it. So now we are going to make 22 single crochet on this. Just now my puppy very excited seeing dogs outside. Oh, he makes some noises. Okay, I completed the length I wanted. Now I'm going to join it to this side of the elastrate. 1 single crochet, 10 single crochet in the elastic band. Okay, now cut off the yarn. Okay. So now we are going to hide the yarn inside, and this one we make it like this, insert like this. Okay. Okay, so now we are going to join this, all the yarn here, hide it inside. Okay, super easy pattern, this one. Just can do for the kids. Okay, the stitches, hide these stitches. Okay, that's all. Cut off the extra yarn. Okay, you can give a try, make for your daughters, okay, or niece. Okay, give a try, it's a easy pattern. Okay, thank you. Subscribe and share. Thank you.